Welcome to Cooking with Peggy Holiday Edition. Thanks for joining us again. Today is day 8 of our 12 days of baking. Yesterday you saw us make cathedral windows. Today we're going to make M&M Bar Cookies. This is something that always looks delightful when you share it with your friends and relatives at the holiday season. So you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. These don't take that long to put together, so it'll be just enough time for your oven to heat up. The ingredients we're going to start with is 1 cup of butter softened, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar packed down tight, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. We're going to mix all of that together and then add 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then our holiday M&Ms. So let's get started. So once again, we're going to be putting our brown sugar, our granulated sugar, our eggs, butter, and vanilla in the bowl, mix it all up, and then we'll add the flour and baking soda. Here is our 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Here's our 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we will be adding the butter and mixing this up. The eggs go in last. Okay, we want to make sure it's creamed and mixed real well before we add the eggs. We'll be adding them one at a time. So these bar cookies, as you can tell, we are not very good at naming our recipes. If you have any better suggestions than M&M Bar Cookies, go ahead and leave me a comment or message me, and maybe we'll try and rename this recipe as well. We typically only make this around the holidays with the red and green M&Ms because it looks so festive. Here's one of the eggs, here's the second egg. Hopefully no eggshell. And then once this gets mixed up, we add 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, this is the last of the flour, and then we'll do our 1 teaspoon of baking soda, mix this well, and then add our holiday M&Ms. It will then be spread into a greased 13x9 pan, after which we cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Hi, Shiloh. Oh, it's holiday time. As you can see, we've put our holiday shirt on our dog, and he does not enjoy it, but he suffers it in silence because he loves us. Our littlest dog, Mayflower, has a sweater on as well. She does enjoy it. She likes the warmth that it provides in these cold winter days. Shiloh doesn't, though. Hi, Bandy. What a good dog. You're never in the movies. No. This is Bandit. He doesn't film very well. We hardly have any pictures of him because he just looks like a big black blob, but he is the sweetest dog that you could find. Okay, let's go ahead and add our M&Ms. Stir it up and put it in the pan. And in the pan and ready for the oven. This is another one that is very quick and easy to make if you need something as a treat, and the kids absolutely love helping with this because they eat the M&Ms as well as putting them in the mixture. Just spread it all out. There we go. Just spread it all out and then throw it in the oven. 20 to 25 minutes depending on how cake-like you want them, and to make sure that they're golden brown on the top. Okay, all spread out. What do you think, little buddy? Should we go put it in the oven? Okay, let's do it. 25 minutes in the oven and it comes out golden brown. You can see hints of the red and green M&Ms. They'll show up more vividly once you cut into it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for day 9. Bye.